Hello everyone, today we are going to start the chapter the digestive system. Okay, so let's check it out. Please. Okay, so here we are having the contents of this chapter. First, we have digestion and some terms to know. Second, we have the digestive system, the associated organs and glands of the digestive system, the detailed information about them, and the mind map. Okay, next. Next, it is given what is digestion. Okay, so what do you mean by digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down a food into simpler pieces so that it can be absorbed by the blood to provide nutrients to the part of the body. So, digestion mainly refers to a process which leads to the breakdown of food molecules or the food into simpler particles so that it can be absorbed by the blood to provide nutrients to our body. Okay, so what I want to mean is this one is the food particle, so it will get transformed to like these small particles and further to like these small particles. Okay, and further it will be absorbed by blood, absorbed by blood. Okay, further it will be absorbed by blood. Okay, next let us see what's there for us. Next we have the digestive system overview. Okay, means some of the terms we need to know. First one is mastication. It is the chewing of food. Okay, then peristalsis. Peristalsis. It is the moving food along the alimentary canal. We are going to learn about this one. Okay, then digestion function. Okay, so here we are having the breakdown of ingested food and absorption of nutrients by the blood. And lastly, we have the metabolism, that is the production of cellular energy. Okay. Next we have next it is saying that let us explore the digestive system, the associated organs, and the digestive glands. So digestive system, associated organs, and the digestive glands. Okay, let's check it out. What's there for us? Okay, so first we have the digestive system. Okay, so what is digestive system? Digestive system mainly refers to one of the life-giving systems of an organism that aids in breaking down of food. Okay, that aids in breaking down of food. Up to this one, understand fast. That is, it is one of the life-giving systems of organisms that aids in breaking down of food to provide energy to our body so that the blood can absorb so that the blood can absorb the nutrients and send it to the required part of our body. Okay, so what the fact is that what we have learned in digestion, that it is the process which aids in breaking down of food to provide energy to our body so that the blood can absorb it. So this is the system which aids in doing digestion. This is the system which aids in digestion. If you want to tell this one, as we have known what digestion is, so we can write that it aids in digestion. Okay, so let's see what's next for us. Okay, so it is saying all the organs associated with the digestion from the beginning till the end of this process forms the alimentary canal. Okay, so the organs which are associated from the beginning, that where we start the digestion and still where we end the digestion, forms the alimentary canal. Okay, next, so here you can check out two pictures. On the left hand side you can get a clear picture of our digestive system, and on the right side you can get a magnified image of the stomach till the rectum. Okay, so you can see here some of the parts more clearly. Okay, next go to next part. So here you can check it out. Here we are having the introduction to the food processing. Okay, so here we are having 4 stages of food processing. Okay, there are 4 stages of food processing. First one is ingestion, that is the taking in food. Okay, when you take food, that is known as the ingestion. Digestion, that is when this breaking down of food take place. Okay, this is digestion. Third is absorption, that is the taking in nutrients by cells. Okay, absorptions mean after the digestion of the food, some of the nutrients will be absorbed by the cells. Mainly I told that it can be carried by the blood cells. Okay, this is the absorption. And the fourth and the last stage is the egestion, that is the removal of leftover waste. Okay, next here you can check it out. Here one line is written: the alimentary canal is about 9 meters long and is coiled especially in the small intestine. So what is written, that the alimentary canal is about 9 meters long. Okay, and it is coiled, means it is having a coil structure, mainly like this structure you may say, or you may say it like this, that coil structure means moreover like this. So it is like this, some coil structure. You can check it out in the small intestine. Okay, next was there for us. Next we are having the organs of the alimentary canal. First the organ is mouth. Next we are having pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. So we are having mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. Okay, next here we have the alimentary canal and its 4 layers. So you can check it out. From here. So these are the 4 layers. These are the 4 layers of the alimentary canal. Okay, the 4 layers of the alimentary canal. What are they? First one is mucosa. Okay, first one is mucosa. This one mucosa. The surface epithelium, lamina propria, and muscle tissue. So you can check it out. Here is the mucosa. Okay, here is the mucosa. Okay. So this part is the mucosa. This is the mucosa. Okay, this part is the submucosa, is the muscularis externa. What is this one? Muscularis externa. And the last part is serosa. Okay, these are the 4 layers of the alimentary canal. First mucosa, this part mucosa, then submucosa, this one, muscularis externa, that is this part, this brownish reddish color part, and the last part is the serosa. Okay, so serosa I have drawn a bit wrong. It's the serosa. Okay, it's the serosa. Oh, and other parts are also there, that is the visceral peritoneum, intrinsic nerve plexuses, submucosal glands, nerve, artery, vein, mesentery, gland in mucosa, duct of gland outside alimentary canal, lumen, and lumen nodule. Okay, so if it is asked that what are the 4 layers, so you will say mucosa, which consists of the surface epithelium, lamina propria, and the muscle layer. Next we have the submucosa. It is a subdivision of the mucosa. Okay, Next we have the muscularis externa. Muscularis externa, which is the having the longitudinal muscle layer and the circular muscle layer. It's mainly the muscle layer. And lastly we have the serosa. Okay, that is the outermost part of our elementary canal. Okay, and other parts are obviously everywhere there will be blood vessels, nerves, veins, arteries. Okay, then glands will be there. Okay, next we are going to next part. What's there? Yeah, here we are having mouth anatomy. Okay, so here we have the digestion begins. Okay, remember it, it's the digestion before digestion. Okay, so here is the mouth where the digestion begins, and here we have the heart plate. It forms the anterior roof. Okay, then subpalate, that is the forms the posterior upper loop. Here you can check, this is the heart palate. Okay, this is a subpalate. Then you have the uvula, that is the fleshy projection of the subplate. Here is the uvula. Then the tongue. Okay, here is the tongue. So it is here. Someone from here you can get the tongue. Okay, let's go to next part. Okay, so mouth, very important. Mouth consists of more subparts. Too much problem. We have studied that mouth, pharynx, intestines, stomach, and other things. Again, we are seeing that mouth is having some subparts. So let's check it out. Okay. So here we have first one is teeth, next tongue, salivary glands, and the uvula. Okay, and here we can check it out. Our oral cavity. Yeah, mouth is also known as the oral cavity. Okay, so first you can check it out in this picture. The left hand side you can check it out. That is, what is this? Gingiva. That is the gums. Okay, then the heart palate, uvula, papillae of the tongue, premolars, canines, incisors, tongue, molars, palatine tonsil, subpalate, and the lips. Okay, this is the sub parts. Now we are going to learn the details about them. Okay, so first we have the teeth. What is this teeth? Teeth. What is the function of the teeth? Teeth, we know that it is one of the part of our body which helps us to grind food. Yeah, it is written here. This is one of the strongest part of our body which breaks and grinds food into smaller pieces. Okay, so from the smaller pieces it is easier for the digestion. Okay, next we are having this one, that teeth are mainly made of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. Okay, so we have calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, of which our teeth is made up. We have four types of teeth. What are they? Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay, so from this slide what we have learned, that teeth is one of the strongest part of our body which breaks and grind food into smaller pieces. Okay, next we have learned that teeth, okay, teeth is mainly made up of, or teeth are mainly made up of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Next we have the four types of teeth: the incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay, next we are having the structure of our teeth. Okay, so here it is written, see, you can check it out, that here it is written above this picture, the teeth, premolar and molar. Why I have written this one, you will get to know it. So first learn the points, first read the points. The role is to masticate or chew food. Mastication we have learned in the previous slides. In the beginning slides we have seen that it is a chewing of food. Okay, so the role is to masticate food. Humans have two set of teeth. Okay, first one, they are having two sets of teeth, and next they are saying that deciduous teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, that is deciduous teeth means baby or milk teeth. Okay, which is mainly up 20 in number, and the permanent teeth which is usually 32 in a set. Okay, 16 in the upper gum and the 16 in the lower gum, so both making is 32. Next, see what's the here we are having one picture. Okay, the first picture is the picture of an incisor or canine. Okay, you may be saying that why it is having different structure. The reason is that the structure of the teeth is different, so there means the outer structure of the teeth is different, so the inner structures are also different. Okay, first we will see the incisors or canines, that is the figure number A. Okay, first we can check it out that this is the crown. Okay, here we have the crown. Here's the crown. Okay, this part is the crown, here it is already mentioned. Next we have the neck, that is this part is the neck. Okay, and sorry, this part is not this part. Along with this part up to from here to here is the neck. This is the neck. Okay, this is the pulp. This color which I am using here is the pulp. Okay, this part is the pulp. Then is the root. This is the enamel. This is the dentine. It's the gum. It's the jawbone. Okay, and it's the cement. This is the part of our incisors or canines. This is the part for our incisors or canines. Okay, next go to the next part, that is the for our premolars and molars. First we have the enamel, that is the outermost part, enamel, then dentine, pulp cavity, and the periodontal membrane, and with addition to cement. Okay, so these are the parts we are having. So I would like to show you this picture once more clearly. Okay, so more, so check it once. So for more, so this is the this one you have to remember that this is for the incisors and canines, and it is for the molars and premolars. Okay, here I indicates incisors, C indicates canines, P indicates premolars, and M indicates the molars. Okay, so please check the structure once. In case of incisors and canines, we are having enamel, dentine, gum, jawbone, cement, and pulp. Better to say that we are having crown, which is having further three parts, further two parts, that is the enamel and dentine. Then we have the neck, which is having the gum. Okay, next we have the pulp, which is the middle part, and lastly we have the root, which consists of the jawbone and the cement. And in case of molars and premolars, we have the enamel, then dentine, pulp cavity, periodontal membrane, in addition to cement. Okay, so let's go to next part. Here we are going to read about the types of teeth. Okay, so here you can check it out. Here already you are having this picture, but still here already you are having this picture, but still we are going to check it out. First we have the incisors. Okay, as I've told you that why they are having the different inner parts, because of their outer looks. You will get to know how they look from outside. and inner look we have seen just now. So first let us learn about incisors. Incisors are shaped like small chisels. Okay, please listen about these structures, how they are compared with. Okay, how they are compared with, please get it to know. Okay, it is saying that it is like the chisel. What is a chisel, do you know? Chisels are mainly used to print out different. Chisels mainly look like sorry, mainly look like this part. Chisels are mainly like these instruments which are used by carpenters to get different designs on wood. So our incisors look exactly like this. Okay, like the chisels. So it is the structure of our incisors. Okay, they have sharp edges that help to bite into food. That help bite into food. Okay, next we have, whenever we sink our teeth into something, whenever it happens that we are putting our teeth into something such as an apple, we use our incisor teeth. Okay, so please wait a bit, I am just showing you this picture. Okay, so please check it here. Here you can get to see about the incisors. See this food, see here, these are the incisors. See, they are having the sharp edges also. Okay, they are having the sharp edges too. Check it here. Here you can check out our teeth. Okay, these are the incisors. See, it is going to bite this apple, so it is the incisor. This part is the incisor. Okay, let's now go back to our slide. Okay,